my functions here, and here's my problems. So what this says to do is it says to first take G, which is my orange one, and put it inside F. So the way I like to work these is I write down my F, and I'm going to take out the X, and I'm going to leave a space there. So I'm going to write the F with a space. Then what's going inside here? Well, the G is what needs to go inside here, so I'm going to take my G and I'm going to write it inside that space. And that one's already simplified, so we're done with that one. All right, our next one. Now we're going to do the opposite. I'm going to take my G, which is this one, and I'm going to take the X out, and I'm going to leave a space there. And then what am I putting in the space? Well, I'm putting the F in the space, so I'm going to put this in the space. And now we're just going to simplify this. Write it out twice. Use our FOIL. First times first is x squared. Outside is 2x. Inside is 2x. 2x and 2x is 4x. And last is 4. And we're done. Okay, the next one. Now we're going to do k, which I think this is what k is. I'm going to take k, and again, I'm going to take the x out, and I'm going to leave a space there. So 4 space minus 6, 4 space minus 6. And I'm going to put the f inside of the k. So the f is x plus 2, and I'm going to put it in my space I left. Now I'm going to distribute. 4x plus 8 minus 6. Combine like terms, 4x plus 2. All right, the next one. Okay, I'm going to do k. So I'm going to take this one again, 4 space minus 6. And this time I'm going to put the h inside there. So that's this one. Distribute. Minus 8x minus 4 minus 6. Combine like terms. Okay, now I'm going to take the h. I'm going to write the h, and this time I'm going to leave the x out of the h. So minus 2 space, and then minus 1. So I took the x out and I left a space there. And then I'm going to put the g inside of there. So the g was x squared, so I'm going to put that inside. And that one's already simplified, so we're done with that one. And finally, I've got the h again. So that's this one. I'm going to leave a space. Negative 2 space minus 1. And in this one, I'm going to put the f, which was this one right here. So I'm going to put this one inside it. X plus 2 here. Distribute. Negative 2x minus 4 minus 1. Negative 2x minus 5. Then for our last two problems, I gave us new g's and f's, but I'm still going to work these the same way. I'm going to start on the outside, and I'm going to take f, and I'm going to leave a space where the x is. So I'm going to write f, and here's my space where the x was, and then I'm putting inside it the g. So this comes and goes inside there. 1/2 x multiply 3/2 x. This one, now I'm going to start with the g, which is 1/2, and leave a space. And then I'm going to put the f inside there. And this one, when I do them in opposite orders, they happen to be the same. And then 11, okay, I've got new f's and g's. So I'm going to take my f, start with my f. I'm going to leave a space where the x was. And I'm going to put the g inside there. So this is g, is this one. Distribute. 4/3 times 3/4 is 1x. 3/4 times 8. 3/4 times 8 gives us 24/4, which gives us 6. So this gave us plus 6 minus 6 gives us x. Now let's do this one. I'm going to this time put the g first and leave a space where the x was. So 4/3 space plus 8. That's this one with the x taken out, and I'm going to plug this in there. 3/4 x minus 6. So I plug this one in. Distribute, distribute. This gives me x. This gives me 4/3 times negative 6 is negative 24 over 3, which is negative 8. So minus 8 plus 8, which gives me x.